Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As we continue to review the iTel Storm Plus smartwatch, also known as the iTel O15 Smartwatch, on this video we are going to pair it with its support app. So this smartwatch is using the FitCloud application. As you can see here, we do have the QR code. And obviously, based on the logo here, it is using the FitCloudPro application. It is available on Android and iOS platform. But in our case, we are going to pair it with our Android smartphone. So if you have the Storm Plus smartwatch or the iTel O15 smartwatch, and you are interested to see if this wearable is easy to pair it with the Android smartphone, watch this video. And if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's continue and let's pair our Storm Plus smartwatch with the support app. Okay, so we have here our Android smartphone. So let's open the Google Play Store. And we have here the FitCloudPro. So just search FitCloudPro. Or if you want, you can scan the QR code here. We have a QR code on the settings. And we have here the QR code. So let's scan it. So I'm going to use up my built-in QR code scanner here. Let's scan a QR code. Open in a browser. And we have here the FitCloudPro application. You can download on the App Store, iOS App Store, Google Play Store, or you can sideload the APK file. Okay, so let's proceed with the Android download here, or the Google Play download. So let's install the app. It will automatically, after the download, it will automatically install the app on our in our Android smartphone. So we have here 86.51 MB when it comes to the size of the app. So it's more than 50 MB. It's a bit heavy, but I think it's okay. Okay. So let's download and install. So let's wait for it to finish downloading and installing. So we are on 98%, 99%, 100%. So the download is completed and it's now installing the FitCloudPro on our Android smartphone. So let's open the application. Okay, let's put this aside. So let's focus on the app FitCloudPro for our Android smartphone. So open the app. So we have here some details on the privacy policy and user agreement. So let's agree to continue. So it is asking to sign up or to create an account if you want to record your data. But in our case, it is just a demo video for the pairing. So let's use without account. Okay, FitCloudPro. Just tap on next. Okay. Let's put any numbers here or any details as a sample. Okay, then next. Then we have our first permission. Following permission are required. Do you want to request for the next step? Okay. Then we have here allow FitCloudPro to find and relative position of nearby devices. We will allow it. Okay, Bluetooth is disabled. Let's turn on our Bluetooth. So let's activate our Bluetooth connectivity. Allow. Turning on Bluetooth. And seems like it's already searching for our smartwatch. Let's see. And it found our smartwatch here. As you can see, iTel ISW-O15 ISW-O15. Is it our smartwatch? Okay, I'm pretty sure it is our smartwatch, but if you want to make it sure, just check for the MAC address. System info, we have the same MAC address here, as you can see, 677. Then let's connect to the smartwatch. Okay, agree to the phone binding request. Okay, binding success. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request pair, that is for the calls. Then we have here our first permission, another permission, allow access to contacts. You can also disable it if you don't want to use the Bluetooth call. But in our case, we are going to use the Bluetooth connectivity or Bluetooth call feature. Okay, so we have here an update, hardware update. So skip this version first. Okay, we'll check on this later on. Then seems like we are on the dashboard. We have home, device, and me. Tap on device, and as you can see here, we are connected. Okay, I know. So we are connected. The iTel ISW-O15 Smartwatch. So let's have a setup, basic setup of the smartwatch. Tap on push notifications. Let's activate our call or enable reminder. Okay, so it includes call logs, phone for the permissions, contacts, and SMS. Just tap on OK. Allow FitCloudPro to access your phone call logs. We will allow it. Access your contacts. We will allow it also. And make and manage phone calls, as well as view SMS messages. Then you can activate some of the features here. Call alert, email, okay, notification permission. Look for our app. So where's our app? FitCloudPro. We'll allow it. Okay, activated. Go back. Then you can activate some of the social apps here. Instagram, Skype, WhatsApp. Then go back. Okay. Then let's see. Can we add our contacts on the smartwatch? As you can see here, we have the contacts here. So none. Okay, frequent contacts. Let's add one. Sam. And go back. As you can see, we already have it here. Okay, automatically synchronized to the smartwatch. Raise to wake, our style, 7 option to follow the system, 12-hour or 24-hour format time. In our case, we are using the 12-hour format time for our smartphone, so we just follow the system. Okay, and that's it. Okay, as you can see, we do have an update here. Okay, upgrade 757 KB. We'll update our device later on. Okay, as you can see, the iTel do have a feature for over-the-air update. Okay, that is very good. So that's it for the basic setup of your iTel Storm Plus smartwatch, iTel O15 smartwatch on the Android smartphone. So very easy to set up, no issues at all, and as you can see, very stable for the when it comes to connectivity. The connection is stable. If you have any questions regarding the pairing here, drop a comment below. Okay, if you want help, drop a comment. Bye.